Hello everyone, welcome to the course Application Development using Python. This is a beginner level course. So let me introduce you about me and the course. So about me, my name is Anala Ballulaya. Okay, I work as an assistant professor in engineering college. And my experience is 8 years. I handle subjects like Python, C, C++, C Sharp and core Java. So here this is the course details. Okay, so let me introduce you about the course. Let me tell you about the course. So the name of the course is Python Application Development. Okay, this is a beginner level course. This course has 11 video lectures and it has 9 PDF handouts for your reference. Total teaching hours, it's a 9.5 hours course and it is specially targeted for the beginner level. Okay, those who have just started programming in Python. So target audiences are anyone whoever is interested in learning Python can enroll for this course. Okay, and students are the main target. What are the objectives of the course? Okay, so objectives, the first objective is you can learn the syntax and semantics of Python programming language. You can also illustrate the process of structuring the data using lists, tuples, dictionaries and sets. You can also demonstrate the use of regular expressions. Okay, you can also learn to work with files. These are the objectives and the outcomes. So after studying this course, students will be able to demonstrate proficiency in handling of flow control statements, loops and creation of functions. You can also identify the methods to create and manipulate lists, tuples, dictionaries and sets. You can also discover the commonly used operations using regular expressions and file systems. So let me tell you about the syllabus. Okay, what exactly you will be learning in this course. Okay, so this is lecture 1. Okay, it is nothing but it's a Python basics. Okay, it's a Python basics. So basically we are having 11 video lectures. So I'll be telling in each video lectures what do you have. So that is organized. Okay, that I have compiled it based on the syllabus. So in Python basics, okay, we'll start with entering Python expressions in idle, which is your editor. Okay, and this will be the editor in which I'll be working on. Okay, then we'll learn about various expressions, arithmetic assignment operators, input functions. Okay, and we'll also see how to write the first Python program. Okay, and the second one is nothing but hands-on on Python basics. So whatever topics we have learned in lecture 1, okay, we'll be doing hands-on on all those topics in lecture 2. Lecture 3 is on flow control. Okay, he will learn more operators. Okay, so we'll be learning on Boolean and comparison operators. We'll be understanding flow and looping concepts. We'll also be understanding the concept of modules. And fourth one is once again a hands-on on flow control. So in lecture 3, whatever we have learned, okay, all those will be worked out, okay, in idle editor in lecture 4. So lecture 5 will learn about the new concepts, that is functions and scopes. Okay, so we'll see how to create a function, what is non-valued. Okay, we'll also learn about local and global scopes and exception handling, and we'll along with the whatever we'll be learning, we'll be doing hands-on. Okay, then and in that video itself. And sixth is will be first Python data structure we'll be learning, that is list. Okay, so we'll be learning the lists and its operations like slicing, sorting, accessing, creating, deletion, concatenation, replication and updation. We'll also learn about in and non-in operators. We'll also learn about methods and augmented assignment operators. Okay, then in lecture 7 we'll be learning about strings and tuples. Strings, more about strings we'll be learning, and the tuple data type. Okay, we'll also be learn about the slicing operation, accessing with strings. Okay, we'll also learn the difference between the strings and tuples. Okay, we'll also learn about tuples and whatever functions we can do with tuples. We'll also learn about type function references. Okay, and in lecture 8 we'll learn about the dictionaries. Okay, how can we create and access dictionaries, difference between the list and dictionaries, keys, item, values, get, set, default methods. These are all the dictionary methods. Then how do we do the pretty printing. 9 we'll learn about the sets and string manipulation functions. Okay, so we'll be learning everything about string functions there and sets, like how to create the set, access the set. 10 we'll be learning about the regular expression. Okay, matching with regular expressions. And at the last we'll be learning about the file handling. Okay, how can we create, read, write, append and delete the files. Okay, so if you are interested in the course, you can go enroll for this course. Okay, thank you.